From darkness, life reveals its grip. Roots emerge first, searching, clinging, enduring. Before branches reach for the sky, they must first conquer the stone beneath them. This is Sekijoju, the art of roots over rock. Long before bonsai found its way into shallow pots, nature itself shaped this story. In mist-covered mountains, trees clung to cliffs and stones, their roots exposed by time, wind, and rain, yet refusing to let go. What began as survival in the wild became inspiration in art. Ancient scrolls record these scenes not as techniques, but as quiet observations of resilience. Sekijoju traces its roots back to ancient Chinese penjing, where scholars recreated entire landscapes in miniature. Trees clinging to rocks symbolized endurance, life thriving in the harshest of conditions. When this art form migrated to Japan, Sekijoju evolved. The focus shifted from replicating landscapes to telling a story through a tree's struggle. Every exposed root, every crevice of stone, became an emblem of perseverance and elegance. As Chinese penjing evolved, miniature landscapes began to mirror towering mountains. Eventually, the focus narrowed, from entire worlds to a single tree locked in dialogue with stone. In Japanese bonsai gardens, Sekijoju emerged as a refined expression, not chaos, but controlled struggle. In Sekijoju, the roots are never hidden. They are exposed, vulnerable, yet proud. Each root tells a story of adaptation, of choosing survival over comfort. Roots gripping stone symbolize perseverance. Stone represents hardship, unchanging, unforgiving. From exposed roots, a tree is made whole, its struggle now balanced in form and silence. A Sekijoju bonsai, complete on its pot, roots embracing stone, tree held in balance. What once clung for survival now stands as a quiet work of art. Walking through bonsai gardens, we are reminded that strength does not come from ease, but from persistence through resistance. A Sekijoju tree is more than a design. It is a metaphor. Roots gripping stone symbolize perseverance. Stone represents hardship, unchanging, unforgiving. Together they form balance. Life does not defeat adversity, it learns to grow with it. Across gardens, each composition echoes the same truth. Endurance is beauty. The stone is not a base, it is a partner. Lava rock, rugged and porous, offers grip and raw character. When paired with Premna, the result is fluid and expressive. With juniper, the story becomes bold and enduring. Coral rock, light and intricate, creates dramatic movement and contrast. A Sekijoju bonsai on coral rock, light, intricate stone shaping the flow of the roots. Balance is found through texture and form. Dragonstone, with its carved textures, adds depth and ancient presence. A Sekijoju bonsai on Dragonstone. Deep crevices guiding the roots with strength and character. Tree and stone settle into quiet harmony. Limestone's grooves and crevices provide texture and stability for bonsai roots. On this limestone rock, the Premna's smooth roots flow gracefully into natural grooves, while the juniper's twisted roots grip shallow cracks with strength and character. Together, they showcase how different trees adapt uniquely to the same stone, each expressing harmony, resilience, and natural beauty. Not every tree belongs on stone. In a carefully arranged Sekijoju garden, selection is guided by character, not popularity. Japanese black pine brings strength and tradition. Ficus offers flexibility and forgiveness. Premna provides movement, elegance, and refinement. The right tree does not fight the rock, it understands it. Before beauty comes discipline, roots are arranged with intention, flowing naturally along the stone's contours. Wiring guides their path, not forcing, but suggesting direction. Raffia fiber protects and binds, allowing time and growth to do their work unseen. This stage is quiet, meticulous, and essential. Stability is not instant, it is earned. Season by season, the roots tighten their hold. What once needed support now stands on its own. Balanced, grounded, complete. This is the moment when the tree and stone become inseparable. Across generations, Sekijoju continues to inspire. In bonsai gardens around the world, artists reinterpret the same ancient struggle, each adding their own voice. The legacy lives not in perfection, but in patience. Sekijoju reminds us that strength is not in fighting the obstacles before us, but in embracing them. The roots that wrap the rock, the tree that grows despite adversity, they speak a language older than words. From ancient mountains to bonsai tables across the world, Sekijoju is not just a style, it is a philosophy and art, a story written in roots and stone. As daylight fades, the tree remains, silent, enduring. Sekijoju teaches us that growth is not about avoiding hardship, but learning how to root ourselves within it. If this story resonated with you, take a moment to reflect and continue the journey with us.